Ever heard of Maxwell's demon? Get ready for a funny and brief dive into a mind-bending thought experiment. Welcome, curious minds, to the bizarre world of Maxwell's demon. This isn't a real demon, thankfully, but a brilliant thought experiment from the 19th century that still gets scientists scratching their heads. Imagine you have a box divided into two halves filled with gas particles zipping around randomly, some fast, some slow. Now, introduce our star, a tiny, mischievous, and incredibly intelligent demon. This little fella guards a trapdoor between the two halves. The demon's job? To be the ultimate bouncer. But instead of people, it's sorting gas particles. When a fast particle approaches from the right, it opens the trapdoor and lets it through. When a slow particle approaches from the left, it opens the trapdoor and lets that through, all while closing the door for others. After a while, you'd have all the fast, hot particles on one side and all the slow, cold particles on the other. Instant order. This looks like it breaks the second law of thermodynamics, which basically says disorder, entropy, always increases in a closed system. Our demon seems to be decreasing entropy without doing any work. It's like creating order from chaos for free. Seems too good to be true, right? The second law of thermodynamics is having a minor existential crisis right now. How can order be created without energy input? But there's a catch. Because in physics, there's rarely a free lunch. The demon isn't just standing there idly. It has to observe the particles, decide which ones to let through, and move the trapdoor. All these actions require energy. The energy the demon expends, or the information it gains and stores, generates its own entropy, which is at least as much as the entropy it reduces in the gas. So in the end, no free lunch. The demon uses energy or information to create order, and that process itself increases entropy elsewhere. Whether it's the energy to power its tiny eyes and muscles, or the memory it uses to store particle data, the demon is doing work. Entropy wins, physics is safe, and our tiny demon goes back to just being a thought experiment. Thanks for watching. What are your thoughts on this paradox? Let me know in the comments. Don't be a paradox. Share the knowledge. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos that will mess with your head in the best way possible. And don't forget, from Beyonder,